Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. My name is Ankur and you are watching Trio Techies. So friends, in today's video, I am going to show you how you can delete a Facebook group. In order to delete a Facebook group, you need to open your Facebook app and then click on these three bars towards the top right corner. Once you click on these three bars, you will find the option for groups. Click on groups. Once you click on groups, or it will show you activity from different groups. However, you need to select the second option on the top which says your group. Once you click here, you will see two categories. One is groups you manage and second is others. Others is the groups that you have joined. That's not your group that you have created, but you have joined some different groups. Now today I'm going to show you how to delete this particular group that I have created. Under groups you manage, I have only one group because I have created only one group. However, if you have created multiple groups, then you will see multiple groups over here. You need to select one group which you want to delete. In this case, I am going to select this particular test group. Once selected, this group will open up. Now on the top right corner, you will see icon like shield icon. You need to click on that shield icon. Once you click on the shield icon, you need to scroll down towards the bottom and you should find delete group option here. Instead of delete group, it is showing the option to leave group because in this group there are some members. In order to remove all your members from the group, you need to scroll up and find the option for people. Once you click on people, you need to scroll down and you will find all your group members here. In this particular group, I have only one member and that is why only one member is showing up here. However, if you have multiple members, you'll have to remove all of them. Okay, how to remove them? Very simple. You need to click on the three dots in front of their names. Once you click on these three dots, you will find an option for remove member. Once you click on remove member, you will see this option. You can select all the checkboxes and then click on confirm. As soon as you do that, that person will be removed. Similarly, you will have to remove all the members of your groups. Once done, click on this back arrow. As soon as you refresh your page, just scroll down to the bottom and now you will find the option to delete group. Click on delete group and then confirm deletion of the group by clicking on delete group. And now your group will be deleted. Let me show you. Just go back and refresh this page. And now you see under groups you manage, I do not have any group. So friends, this is how you can delete a Facebook group. If by any chance you are facing issues to delete your group, then do let us know in the comment section so that we can help you out there. Alright, so if you like the video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed yet. That's it for today. I will see you in the next video.